Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am so excited for today's video. I will be unboxing a signed record today. So let's get into it. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. I can't believe I have this in my hands right now. Now that's cool. I love this record, front to back. I'd say my favorite song is probably Feel or Wild Emotion. But yeah, this is One of a Kind by the Heavy Heavy. So the next record I'm unboxing is the Imagine Dragons Evolve on transparent green vinyl. I call it like emerald green. Story about this. I've been really getting into Imagine Dragons lately, and I was like, you know what rare records did they press of this album or any of their albums? And I saw this one, really liked the color, and I saw it on eBay damaged, upwards to $80 to $90. And in my head, I'm like, I'm not gonna spend that much on a damaged record. So I used good old Discogs, and I found it, including shipping, for $43, sealed. So yeah. Came well packaged. Happy about that. Here it is. And I noticed with this album that it doesn't have Next to Me on it for the first track, and it's on Spotify, so I don't know, but my favorite song on here is Whatever It Takes, but I really like Make It Up to You, I Don't Know Why, and Mouth of the River. I don't even know how I got my hands on it. Sealed? I'm gonna show you guys too, but it looks like I'm opening it. But anyway, yeah. Open her up. That is beautiful. I love it. Like in the light, it's almost like a neon green. But like when you see it not in light, it's that emerald green color. Oh my gosh, I love it. I love it. But yeah, I got it sleeved up. Ready to go. Now the next thing I'm unboxing is the 25-year anniversary of Nimrod, and it's a vinyl box set. It comes with a slip mat, it comes with 3 silver records, it's a numbered box set, it comes with a couple of other things too. But yeah, this looks packaged well, so a lot of tape on here. Ooh. Got bubble wrap on top. And the bottom, here it is, the box set. I got the 4,928th box set. I'm gonna open it. I'm gonna save the sticker on here. But definitely gotta be careful. No, I ripped it. Put the sticker on the box. And yeah, let's open it. What the side looks like. Oh, whoa. So it's with a patch, backstage pass, comes with a record slip mat, which I will definitely be using. Let's get into the fun stuff. So it comes with a book. It comes with a poster. Which is really cool. So you have the classic Nimrod. That's cool. That is amazing. And they're all silver, and I'll just show you the covers of the others. And I have it sleeved. And yeah, my favorite song on Nimrod, Scattered, or Nice Guys Finish Last. Good Riddance is always a good song on this album. The next one is the demo version. And I sleeved this one up as well. And it comes with one more. This is Live at the Electric Factory, which is cool. And yeah, I'm just gonna sleeve these up too. And yeah, got this one sleeved as well. So another record that I got, this is kind of a bonus for the video. My mom actually got me this for my birthday. It's the Hendrix Band of Gypsies when he had a band, like before he went on his own. I've never heard this. I love Jimi Hendrix. Yeah, let's open it together. But yeah, I can't wait to check out this album. I hope you enjoyed today's video. I'll be back soon with another one. Bye!